Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix voicemail not working on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all. After click on see all, scroll down and search voicemail from here. Search voicemail. For example, click on voicemail and click on storage and cache and clear cache voicemail. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset network settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So you will check your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.